As-Salaamu Alikum. Today in this video we will be learning Suji Ka Halwa. It is very quick and easy to make. Before we get started, please punch in the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. To make the Suji Ka Halwa, we need 1 cup ghee, 1 cup suji or rava, 1 cup of mixed dry fruits, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 cups of water, 1/4 cup of saffron milk, and about 3 cardamom powdered or crushed. First, in the pan, add ghee. Make sure your pan is not too hot. The heat should be from medium to low. It is at this melting point of ghee we add our dry fruits. This procedure will not burn or overcook your dry fruits. I have taken almonds, cashew and pista finely chopped. I'll be adding raisins at the end because they cook very fast. Here you see our dry fruits are already bubbling. Our dry fruits should just be crispy and slightly golden. Looks like it's almost done. At this stage, I'll be adding raisins and give it a quick stir as they cook really very fast. We have to just cook them for 20 to 30 seconds. And now I'm going to remove the dry fruits and keep it aside. Now in the same ghee, add suji with the same medium to low heat. Roast it for about 5 minutes as suji has a lot of moisture in it. Give it a good stir. You see the suji is now granulating, getting cooked. You can reduce the amount of ghee if you feel the ghee is too much, but I like it this way. At this point, when the ghee is separating from the suji, we will add our crushed cardamom. I'm adding a crushed one. You can even add powder if you don't like crushed. Now after 5 minutes, add water. Be very careful, reduce the heat to low. For 1 cup of suji, I added 3 cups of water. Follow the ratio of 1:3. With this, you can increase or decrease the quantity of your halwa. At this stage, we close the lid and cook it for 1 minute on low heat. After a minute, remove the lid and give it a good stir. Now add your dry fruits and mix it really well. Add sugar. You can even reduce the quantity of sugar based on your taste and requirement. Keep it on a medium heat and mix well. The sugar melts and gives a good amount of moisture. Now it's time to add our saffron milk. To make this saffron milk, I added a pinch of saffron in 1/4 cup of milk and kept it aside for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and mix it really well. I want to keep it in a slightly liquid state because as it cools down, it dries up. Suji Ka Halwa is now ready. Close the lid and leave it for a minute. You can serve this hot or cold. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please comment below and share the photos of your Suji Ka Halwa. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe.